Because of efficiency, productivity, and technology gains, not as many people work in the steel industry as they used to. But we consume more steel, and it goes up about 1% each year. We actually use more and more steel. If you're going to have a modern economy, this is an industry that you want to have. It's highly engineered, highly recycled, and it's a major employer. For every job in steel, there's about 4 jobs outside the steel mill. Right now, about 26% of the steel goes into automotive. But many steel economists believe that by 2030, as much steel might go into construction, large institutions, residential, some of the structures around them. If you bought one of these cars in the parking lot, 85% of what's in the car was not made by the auto company itself. It's made by the supply chain with all these smaller companies. It becomes really complex. Instead of just a steel plant and an automotive producer, you got 85% of the parts and the value added being done in the supply chain. And of that group, about 80% are small and medium-sized firms, so they're all over the place. What starts as a coil in Dofasco in Hamilton could be across the border 4 or 5 times before it finally winds up as an engine part in Oshawa. Manufacturing matters, and steel is the material background of manufacturing. Different kinds of steel. Steels you never dreamed of. Steels that are as light as aluminum and as hard as diamonds. If we're going to live in a material society of goods, we have to have a production system that is environmentally, socially, and economically sustainable. And I think against those 3 measures, steel is the best in terms of its qualities.